Hello student, in previous lecture we studied elimination method and some word problems. In this session we study the cross multiplication method. Our pair of linear equation is in the form of a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equals to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equals to 0. These two are a linear pair of equations. So coefficient of x is a1, coefficient of y is b1, and c1 and c2 are constants. Then cross multiplication. In cross multiplication method we find the solution, that is find the value of x and y. So how to find the value of x and y? When we find the value of x, then the column of x, we delete the column of x, then we cross multiply the b1 c2, we cross multiply b1 by c2 and take minus sign b2 by c1. So value of x is b1 c2, that is here we delete this column of x, then b1 c2 minus b2 c1, then value of y is equals to, then we delete column y, then here we take a1 c2 minus a2 c1. When we take that type cross multiplication, then here we take sign is minus, here we take sign minus. If we take sign plus, then we multiply c1 a2, first we multiply c1 a2 minus c2 a1, c1 a2 minus c2 a1. So we take any of this, then last constant. When we delete constant column, then here we delete constant column, then a1 b2 minus b1 a2, a1 b2 minus a2 b1. So value of x. Also we remembering this method by using this diagram. Here write x, y and 1. Here first column is b1 b2, second c1 c2, third a1 a2, and last again b1 b2. So we find the value of x by cross multiplying b1 c2 minus b2 c1. So x, we find this equation by using this diagram. You remember this diagram. Then x, b1 c2 minus b2 c1, here we take sign minus, is equals to y. Value of y is c1 a2 minus c2 a1 and 1 upon a1 b2 minus a2 b1. You remembering this diagram and solve the given pair of linear equation by using cross multiplication method. So here I take one example. Solve given equation by using cross multiplication method. Example number first is 2x plus y is equals to 5, 3x plus 2y is equals to 8. So our equation is in the form of this equation, that is a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equals to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equals to 0. Then we use this formula. So constant, we write this equation as 2x plus y, here minus 5 is equals to 0 and 3x plus 2y minus 8 is equals to 0. So we take this equation in the form of a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equals to 0. So we write this equation by linear equation form. So here a1 is equals to 2, b1 is equals to 1, and c1 is equals to minus 5, a2 is equals to b2 is equals to 2, and c2 is equals to minus 8. So write this formula. X, first we write this diagram. First x b1 b2 c1 c2, y here a1 a2 and 1 b1 b2. So we cross multiplying this. So x divided by value of b1 upon b2, b1 b2 1 2, c1 c2 c1 c2 minus 5 minus 8, y here a1 a2, y is 2 upon 3 and 1. So value of constant to find here b1 b2 1 2. So we take cross multiplication here. So x upon minus 8 into 1 minus 8, here sign is minus, minus minus plus, 5 to the 10 is equals to y upon, here we take this cross multiplication. 5 3 the minus 15, middle sign is minus, minus 8 into 2 minus 16, minus minus here plus 16, and z upon 2 to the 4 minus 3 1 the 3. So we take x upon minus 2, y upon 1. So x upon, the sign is minus 8 plus 10 is equals to y upon here sign minus minus plus, minus 15 plus 16 and 1 upon 4 minus 3. So x upon 2 value y upon 1 and here 1 upon 1. So x upon 2 is equals to y upon 1 is equals to 1. So we compare this, x upon 2 is equals to 1 and y upon 1 is equals to 1. Then x is equals to 2 and y is equals to 1. These are solution of given linear pair of equation. So next we take second example. X minus 3y minus 7 is equals to 0. 3x minus 3y minus 15 is equals to 0. So given example is in the form of a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equals to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equals to 0. So here value of a1 is equals to 1, b1 is equals to minus 3, c1 is equals to minus 7, a2 is equals to 3, b2 is equals to minus 3 and c2 is equals to minus 15. So we take here cross multiplication method. X y 1, first write b1 upon b2, then c1 upon c2, then a1 a2, then b1 b2 again. So we cross multiplying this and take minus sign in between this. So x upon, so first we write here the value b1 b2. So b1 b2 is -3 -3, c1 c2 -7 -15, then a1 a2 1 3, and b1 b2 again -3 -3. Write like this. Then x upon, we find the value of x, then 15 into -15 into -3 minus plus. So here 45, middle sign is minus, 7 3s are 21 is equals to y upon, here 7 3s are -20, sign is minus, so 7 3s are 21, sign is minus, so here -21, middle sign is minus, 15 1s are 15, and sign is minus, minus plus, so here plus 15 and 1 upon, here -3 into 1 -3, minus plus 3 into 3 9, so here -3 plus 9. The value of x upon 24, y upon -6 is equals to 1 upon 6. So equating these three, then x upon 24 is equals to 1 by 6, and y upon -6 is equals to 1 by 6. So x is equals to 24 upon 6, so x is equals to 4, and y is equals to -6 upon 6, so value of y is equals to -1. This is cross multiplication method to solve a pair of linear equation. I give you one example to homework. So write example, homework example. 2x plus 3y minus 46 is equals to 0, and 3x plus 5y minus 74 is equals to 0. Solve this example by using cross multiplication.